Happy New Year, back from holidays, been getting stuck into it. So no videos yet, but they're coming. How was my holiday, you may ask? Well, my life is a little bit like this work ute at the moment. It's in need of repair, always is, but in a lot of need of repair at the moment, much like the work ute. So yeah, a few months ago my wife ran off and pretty much started a new life. Ditched all our friends from church and stuff. So that's been a bit sad, missing her a bit. But yeah, healing and cracking on. Saw some cool places on holidays. And yeah, had plenty of time to relax and read, and saw some family I hadn't seen in a while, and went fishing and caught big fish. And then had my last week of holidays, 3 weeks long. So the last week, I went and did an Odyssey sailing camp with some crew that I do that with, normally annually for the past 4 years. So that was awesome, like just a week of fellowship with them and hanging out with kids, and yeah, that was sick. Came back to work feeling pretty refreshed and ready to kick some goals this year, so that was good. Went away in this beast, got to kit it out before Christmas, got it off Mal. Whacked some 35s on it and some new wheels. Redid the lift because it was too stiff, I didn't like it. And then pretty much gave it the whole UT3ZILA treatment. G300, I'd already had a good exhaust on it. Our RMR big race cooler and remap. And she's going sweet. Needs bigger injectors, same as the work ute. We'll get to that in a minute. Pretty much put this together the week before Christmas, so like Boxing Day, I was hooking the dual batteries up on the lawn at home, and solar and stuff. I actually did the solar while I was out camping. Yeah, got me a big cooler in there, biggest you can get. Yeah, took all the pipes, looks heaps tidier, could do with a wash. Yeah, happy days. Also, getting stuck into these ZD30s, so looking to downsize the rest of my fleet, which means I'll sell Mad 42. If you know anyone, hit me up. It's already on Gumtree. She's a bit rusty, the body, but the mechanical side of it's pretty A1. And it's been serviced every 5K since new. It's even got the logbook. But the logbook only does like the first couple of years because that's how they used to work back in the day for warranty, but yeah, she is minty and she's very capable, obviously. So yeah, hit us up if you want that. There's the back setup. Got my kiteboarding gear in there and my bed for napping and reading. It's lovely. Got my tools and other things. Table from a guy in Perth, JC Customs. Minty. Made a fridge rack in the back. It's not the best for the bed, but it's only me, so keep all my drinks and food in there when I go. Got solar in it now and she just runs all day. Love it. Yeah, that's about it. I put an awning on it this year. Went away last year without an awning and it was a regret. So my neighbours at work, All Star Garage, they sell these 30-second awnings and they are the goods. They put them on their hire fleet. They've got some hire campers, All Star campers, and yeah, they're the only ones that last, so they import them now from, I think they're Australian made, but yeah, they're sick. Stoked with that. And yeah, work ute's getting pulled apart. It's like 5 o'clock today. It was 40 degrees, so I thought I'd come in and do a night shift. Did a night shift last night as well, being Friday night. There's the work ute, UT3ZILA. Getting a treat. So the low on compression motor's coming out, gearbox is coming out for repair, new fancy clutches going in. There's the cooler pipes that pulled off it. Here's the fancy clutch. It's a prototype. What else we got? Got the new motor here. Gave that a tidy up last night. Came up fresh. So we've got to fabricate some good engine mounts, probably put them into production and sell them, because I don't know if you know, but ZD engine mounts suck. And we'll put the big nozzles in ready to go, pull everything off this motor and put all the good stuff from UT3ZILA straight on. Yeah, should be loving life again, new lease. There's the exhaust tip, big 4-inch, good size. Yeah, excited. It's going to be a good night. There's Braden's new bike, because he got his ute yellow stickered. Yannel's Brumby, the big beast. First car he's owned in 17 years, because he's been riding Harleys everywhere. Would not have picked it, but this is his vehicle of choice. It's pretty sick. What?
What are the steps involved?
Condola to help me take the bonnet off. He just rocked up with some beers. Thanks, buddy. He came on camp. It was minty.
Fun.
Pull my motor out as well, hey?
As well.
While you're here. She's out. Smells like burnt clutch. And as you can see, that's not old at all. Yeah, pretty much done for the night. Motor's out. Just got to swap my turbo and manifold over. Alternator. Fab up some engine mounts next week after work. Put my new clutch on and do all the mods to the fuel system. Swap everything over onto this motor. And then we'll be skidding again in no time. Making some more footage for you. Throwing some tyres. Very, very excited. She's going to go very well now. I'll leave you with a few photos and some drone footage from the holiday. Enjoy. Took the scenic route to Geraldton with Papa. My cousin got married up there, so went up there and had some fun. Got a bit peopled out camping with the family. Wasn't too keen to hang out with anyone, but went and got bogged by myself and then had to call Kyron and Dad to come get me. Then ended up going to Lucky Bay by myself. It was minty, just relaxed, and got raided by mice. They ate all my food. It was great. Here's the view from above. One windy afternoon. You can see my car just behind a dune there, and yeah, this is the inner reef and outer reef. Good diving and good kiting. Parked right on the beach, minty. Went down to Coronation for a kite and ran into some mates. That was awesome. Here's the aftermath of a burn from making my fridge mount. Here's looking south, Lucky Bay. You can see my camp hiding behind a bush in the closest big bush there. And yeah, nice evening, very windy. Been reading and chilling and learning a lot about forgiveness very recently, and yeah, forgiving people and praising and wishing good things upon them instead of getting down and hating life. And that's really helped with keeping the negative thoughts at bay. Stopped at the Pink Lake. I'll leave you with some Christian drill or Bible basher beats, as Luca calls them, for the last shots.
Horns down when I enter, beef the tormentor, Christ at the center, gotta surrender. Demons don't like the way I pray. Get round there in the name of Jesus, bringing angels where they stay. Of course I'm smiling, but don't think I came to play. I'm sent from God to let it rain on all the ops and their parade. Touch the block and back your blade. This word of God's your weapon sent from heaven. Preach the gospel is the aim. Let's get one thing straight. Just because you know his name doesn't mean you won't see fire with the liar burning flames. Anyone playing with sin and loving God is just lukewarm. And if you die in sin, there is no chance you can respawn. I don't need a sacrifice to speak to God. Jesus wore the crown of thorns. Why you think that the veil when the temple's torn? Baptized by the Holy Ghost and water, I'm a man reborn. Still got kill my flesh, that's daily. There isn't a need to mourn. Filthy rags all on me, walking zombie. I was the walking dead. Translate that to Hebrew, it's the same as Gallas on her reds. Go work on my salvation, boy, it works, I set me free. God the Father sent his only son to die for you and me. Then Christ sent a helper, Holy Spirit, to work inside of we. Believe and you'll receive, this salvation's free. Demons don't like the way I pray. Get round there in the name of Jesus, bringing angels where they stay. Of course I'm smiling, but don't think I came to play. I'm sent from God to let it rain on all the ops and their parade. Touch the block and back your blade. This word of God's your weapon sent from heaven. Preach the gospel is the aim. Let's get one thing straight. Just because you know his name doesn't mean you won't see fire with the liar burning flames.
We know about spiritual groaning, I can't even utter. When I speak in tongues, demons run, I don't stutter. Hebrews chapter 4, spirit sword, demon cutter.